Hey, what's up guys? It's Jason here, and today I'm gonna show you how to do a mod hack on Blitz Brigade. This is a very easy hack. First, go to skill and search up 20, 30, 40, and 50. And then search it up. It's gonna pop up like 20 or 20 files or something. Or 123, yeah. Just add them all to 999. Whatever number you want. Gonna make this 1 million. Look, see? Premium weapon clip size 1000. 1 million. Can't count. Then you just go to a game. Gonna go to domination. Alright, be back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, first, the soldier, you just get like unlimited ammo and fire rate. And the gunner, you get unlimited health and yeah. And the medic, you get unlimited speed, fire rate, and ammo. The stealth, you get unlimited, you get to go invisible for a long time. And for the sniper, I don't really know. Oh yeah, unlimited ammo for the yeah. And for the demolisher, you just get unlimited ammo, and you get like moon jump, which you can press the super jump for for a long time. I got them old items. I'm gonna use the medic wish. Yeah, I'm gonna use the medic. You got unlimited speed. Look, see, unlimited speed, ammo, and fire rate. That's awesome, right? Gonna show you all the skills. The soldier get only unlimited ammo, nothing else. Pretty much that's it. The sniper give you just unlimited ammo, and yeah, that's all. The demolisher, he just give you just easy. You can just press the press the super jump. You could do lose health, but yeah, limited ammo. That's cool, right? I'm gonna make a hack video on this gun, so yeah, stay tuned. And the stealth, you get the secondary. I guess the hack didn't work on the stealth, but sometimes it give you the secondaries. The secondary gun unlimited ammo and unlimited you get to go invisible for a very long time, but it doesn't work. I just love this melee gun. Look at this. It's a pony. I love pony. And for the gunner, you just get unlimited health, which doesn't work. I wish it worked so I can be overpowered. See, if you like fall or something, you just die. Alright guys, I gotta go.